I am Ceci Misoczky. I work at the Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul. This university is located at a city called Porto Alegre, at the extreme south of Brazil. So I'm very far from India, and I'm looking forward to be with you at this wonderful country. I'm especially glad because of the theme of the conference. The possibility and the perspective of decolonizing knowledge is a very precious one. What I'm going to share with you is the possibility of going beyond the idea of decolonizing epistemology. And to do it, I'm going to connect the coloniality of power with the coloniality of knowledge. I'm convinced that this opportunity that IDC IDC 8 is providing for us is a very good opportunity for us who are working at very different parts of the world to share our understandings and to produce a knowledge that tends to be more plural, or in the words of Latin American philosopher Henrique Dussel, to have the opportunity of constructing a pluriversal world. I'm looking forward to be with you.